Alrighty crew, time for a quick review. I know, maybe you don't like reviews, maybe you do, but this was given to me to review, so I'm going to do it. It's by a company called Lifedoo, and they do a few products. This is one of them. It's a fire pit. It folds down to virtually nothing, so it's easy to store, and it only weighs 8.3 kilos, which for a fire pit is pretty darn light. Comes with a 1-year warranty as well. I've used it once before. Seemed to do the trick. I mean, it's better than having a fire on the ground, that's for sure. It's a lot safer as well. You're not leaving hot coals in the ground. Leaves a lot less mess as well. A lot of fire pits have got the tray at the bottom. This one doesn't. But it's only 90 bucks. It's got an Australian and an American patent. And it's kind of growing on me. It's pretty easy to set up. I mean, there's 3 things, and I'm pretty useless at setting things up, as you can see. Anybody else would have had this done by now. But anyway, there you go. You just slot it all in, and you're good to go. Bang. So yeah, they're online. They're from their website, which is lifedoo.com, LIFEDOO.com. So there you go. If you're in the market for a fire pit, check them out. I'm not telling you to buy it or anything. I'll give it a crack. I'll let you know how my food goes, and I'll film it anyway. Alright, I'm going to start cooking. I've got some coals. They're all nicely cooking away there. So I've got to just chop a few things and get cracking. So the first thing I'm going to do, just going to cut this guy into sort of maybe, I don't know, 8s or something. Don't need them too small. Slice this up, cut up some chicken, stick it on the coals, and then I'm going to put some barbecue sauce in with it at the end, so it's completely simple. And if I can cook it, I reckon anyone can cook it. If it tastes any good, I'll let you know. I hope it does. I think most things taste pretty good out in the bush. Got a nice sharp knife as well, so got to be a little bit careful. Yeah. So we'll chuck the bacon in there, start that cooking, and then we'll put the chicken in there and the veggies. Alright, let's have a look. See what? Oh, browning. We'll go early, we'll stick them in early. In. There we go. And then for the main event, chicken breast. Oh, yes. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait. Jeez, guys, nearly made a massive mistake. Forgot to add the barbecue sauce. Alright, it's starting to get cold. I'm gonna have to put a jumper on soon. If that ain't ready, it's mighty close. Give it a look, see. Oh, dinner at sunset. Look at how nice it is. Birds are starting to come in. Oh, sunset's gonna be awesome. Go. Good. Barbecue chicken on the fire with coals. With this sunset. Doesn't get much better than this.